Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is AH for Truth. All right, if you're new to crypto, I wrote a book just for you, Crypto Made Easy. It is in the description. It's an EPUB file, but it has a PDF in the package which you can print, mark up as you like. There's a second book titled Cryptocurrencies, The Future of Banking, Finance, and Value Transfer is here. You can also download that and enjoy it as a read. It shows you how the ISO cryptocurrencies, ISO 222, will take over the banking world and revolutionize finance as we know it. Now, take position. It is good for you. What do I want to talk about today? I want to talk about certain things I've observed about sincerely wealthy people, not crooks, but those who worked hard, invested, and made good money from their wealth. Wealth and money, to me, are not the same. Wealth is the, would I say, system or the assets with a system within it or surrounding it to guarantee riches, right? Cash flow to be able to do the things that we are designed, built, called by our maker to do. All right, so I'm going to begin. Oh, by the way, I am returning to Houston, Texas, November 6 to 9 with the VIP one-on-one conference with Kryptonite. If you're interested and you'd like to go, we have room for 10. You can come as an individual or as a couple. November 6 to 9, you have enough time to plan your trip, to plan your tickets, to take time off your business or work. You're looking to put significant money into crypto, or you have already, but it's kind of still a cobweb to you. At these sessions, we explain. It's intense. It goes from a Thursday morning, you would have arrived on a Wednesday night or Wednesday afternoon, whatever works for you, depending on flights, and then all the way to Sunday, Thursday to Sunday. It's intense. It's 9 a.m. all the way to about 9-10 p.m. We are in class learning and taking short breaks, taking time for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all provided for you. Now, just go to the video in the link there and you would see. But I'd love you to finish this one, but make sure you go to the link and see what we have for you. I'll give you the details, but send me an email and I'll give you all the details and you guys can come down for that. All right, so what are the things I wanted to talk about? Number one, what I find out about those who have created wealth, even in my own life journey, I've realized that knowledge is the very first thing. You see, those who are wealthy and stay wealthy have knowledge and they continue to gain knowledge. They don't mind investing in knowledge, learning, paying their way to learn whatever. When I started in crypto, I paid people to teach me things. I believe that God taught me principally some of the things that I'm teaching today. It was based on that. You see, God won't do everything for you. For those of you who are God believers, you followers of Christ and all of that, you know, you probably know what I'm talking about. And if you don't, this is the time for you to realize that, look, you know what? Even the scripture says, with all you're getting, get understanding. You see? So that's the first thing. They don't mind investing in knowledge to learn what's happening, what's the next asset out there that they can invest in. And in fact, some people are already wealthy before they become wealthy, because wealth is a mindset. If you have a poverty mindset, Kryptonite, my friend, always says, if you have a poverty mindset, you aren't going to be wealthy. You got to get rid of that. And so it all begins with knowledge and what they do and how they go about getting knowledge for the wealth that they're going to build. There is a saying, I heard it somewhere, I don't know who to credit it to, but I'm going to say it anyway. It's like the wealthy educate themselves, while the poor and those who stay poor entertain themselves. There you go, right? So let's look at number two. They take position. Once they are aware of the next place for increase, the next wealth generator, they go there and they take position, no matter their level in the scale of wealth. If you're looking at the most wealthy, in fact, one of the ways to do it is to find out what the most wealthy are doing. You know, when people are complaining about the Trump administration, oh, look at their family, they're making money through crypto, that Trump made his coin. You know, did I really support that? I was like, man, why are you making your own coin? Like, so, but it's people around him. Hey, we can make a Trump coin. People became millionaires in 48 hours. You know, if I had put $1,000 into that thing, I'd have made good money, right? But I didn't know about it until it had already taken off. And I saw it on the Moonshot app, right, for Robinhood. And I don't really like Robinhood, but the Moonshot app is something you can use if you want. All right, so they take position. Let me ask you a question. Have you taken position? Crypto is not going away. It's come to stay. Have you taken position? Take position. Take position in meme coins if you don't have a lot of money to put into the blue chip cryptos. I call them blue chip. That's what they are. XRP, XLM, XDC, HBAR, Cardano, Algorand, Corium, XPR. In fact, if you go into the description, I have a document. Is about $10. It'll cost you. It is the only crypto that is ISO 222 that is not what would I say, that's hardly talked about, and it's less than a cent. It's less than 1 cent, and it's going to take care of all of the credit unions. Go into the description, click on the document there, and download it for yourself. I gave it out for free when it first came out, and I think maybe over 100 people took advantage and were able to download it for themselves. So go and invest. I know a guy who bought 1 million units of it, and his investment went by, was it 50% in so short a time? Almost doubled, actually. I don't remember the details, but he was very happy. He sent me $100. One of my members actually now. Thank God for that guy. Hey, Emmanuel, shout out to you. Okay, anyway, so the third thing is that the people who are going to be wealthy, those who are wealthy and stay wealthy, cultivate patience and the ability. What is that? The ability to wait. They can wait without complaining, without crying. I'm sure that they feel bad when it drops by 20% or 10%. That's a big hit because they're losing money. But because they've studied the asset and the fundamentals, and they're able to tell why it's doing that, they don't mind, because they know this too shall pass. This too shall pass. All right, so they cultivate patience. You see, that I use the word cultivate because it's something you have to learn to do. You have to cultivate patience. You have to learn it. You have to learn how to wait. Okay? Now, one thing you can do while you are waiting, you can find other projects to invest in, like in crypto, or write a book, read a book, take a course, a YouTube course, or pay for someone to teach you something. Go learn how to fish, something you've never learned before. Learn how to fly a plane, stay alive. Right? So while waiting, they keep busy, right? Then number 4, they reinvest proceeds from what they've invested. They reinvest proceeds from what they've invested in, so that they can take a horizontal spread before they go vertical. All right, they reinvest proceeds until all their reinvestments is able to provide a cash flow for them to live a rich and wealthy lifestyle. Okay, so that's why some of them drive the same car for a long time. It's not that they're stupid, it's just that they realize that, paying a large amount of money on that car, if you don't have a business to write off your vehicle, you got to be careful, right, with those types of expenses. So then the last one, number 5, they set up cash flow systems. You got to set up a cash flow system. More of that as we go into the future. More of that as we get into my membership. I was hoping we reach 200 and then I'll jump onto Patreon. But where is that now? I'm glad we have about 154 there, about members, between 154 and 160 as people come on and jump off. And hopefully we get up to 200 by September ending. And you can be a member. It's $5.11. Become a member. I do member lives. I do member videos and things like that. This type of video I do more on the member side. Today I just did it publicly, like 5 things that distinguish between the wealthy, those who will be wealthy and stay wealthy, and those who are in the middle class and poor, right? These 5 things. There's more, but I think, knowledge, taking position, cultivating patience, and learning to wait, reinvesting proceeds, and setting up cash flow systems. And to set up a cash flow system is like having a chicken farm, right? And they lay eggs for you, and you sell the eggs, and you continue to do that and reinvest some of the proceeds to get more chickens, so that when those die, you continue to have that cash flow system continuing for decades and throughout your life. As long as cash is flowing, you can always stay ahead of inflation, because the asset also, you are doing whatever needs to be done to increase the value of the asset, right? So we must learn and stay wise. All right, God bless you. Thank you for hanging out with me and watching my videos. I look forward to hearing from you. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys in the next one.